Welcome back to our channel, everyone. Today, we're here to help you tackle a common issue faced by Android users: getting stuck on the Google account verification page after a device reset. But fear not, because we've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing 4UK for Android, the ultimate tool to bypass FRP lock with ease. With just a few simple steps, you can say goodbye to FRP worries and regain access to your device in no time. Once you've installed 4UK for Android on your PC, connecting your Android device is all it takes to get started. Simply open the program, navigate to the Remove Google Lock section, and select your device's Android version, whether it's Android 11 or 12. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection and that your phone is currently on FRP lock. After confirming the details, hit the Start button and let the magic unfold. Begin by returning to the welcome screen on your device, then access the emergency call feature and enter the errors. Head back to 4UK for Android, click Next, and grant the necessary permissions on your device when prompted. 4UK for Android will then initiate the unlocking process, which won't take long at all. Your phone will begin to reset automatically, and before you know it, your FRP lock will be a thing of the past. It's as simple as that. Just 3 easy steps, and you're good to go. So, if you're ready to bid farewell to FRP lock headaches, if you found this tutorial helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you next time for another exciting tutorial. Until then, happy exploring.